Hello everyone, my name is Woods and I'm the sales director from FABULUX LED. I'm now on InfoComm 2026. The first products I would like to show you is the LED poster here. Tony, could you please fold it up? So the one of the feature of the poster is that it is foldable. So when we fold it up, it become higher, and we can lock the poster from backside, and the poster have the edge, but the edge is attached on the cabinet, so you can open the edge like this. The reason to open edge is that we can combine several pieces of this poster together to make a larger screen, where you can show here, where you can see the screen over here. So it's a very convenient, fast, quick installation solution for the events. For more information of these products, please visit FABULUX website, www.fabuluxled.com. Thank you so much.